Hindi na si Ma'am. Si Ma'am Jessica
Good
Latade.
afternoon, everyone. I'm Mrs. Jessica Latade, Department Head of La Paz National High School. I'm the Finance Manager of the tribe. So, the essence of this Japan trip headed by the IFFI, this will be a great privilege for all of us at La Paz National High School, especially for our students. This can be an endowment for all of us who will be bringing pride to Japan with the skills and empowered talents of our students, especially also with direct and all the support of all the directors of the IFFI, Ma'am Joyce, who have been very supportive since the beginning until now, and of course, it's a great honor for all of us to go to Japan. This will be our first time for all of us. First time din namon, so this will be a momentous event, bringing social transformation for the school, especially for our learners. It's also our pride as faculty and also our principal and those pride gininamon to be brought to Japan. So thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. And then we hear from Ma'am Irene before we